So Francis now is preparing the formula. This is what we are using, Sacto. It's quite easy, but it's 3-4 times a day. So with everything else that we have to do, it takes a little time. And after they eat, we like to play with them for about half hour. Okay. Because we don't want to eat these creams all day. Do you like that, Ruby? Ruby, do you like wow?
No.
This is feeding time, and believe me, these birds are hungry.
Wait, the other one too.
Oh gosh. Now, Angel, the one he's feeding now, did not want anything to do with eating this morning. She wants to play. Now, she was in the cage. The minute that she saw Francis with the syringe, look at that. These birds are hungry. Whee! Oh.
That's your brother too, brother.
Yeah, lucky.
She's going there.
A little food for Angel. Oh, they're kissing each other, or they're biting each other. They're fighting. It's my turn.
No, you're dirty.
It's funny because before we started to feed them, Angel did not scream like that. Normally when they're hungry, they let us know, but this one, Lucky, he would let us know. So he did, but Angel, not a word. But the minute she saw Francis with the syringe, that was it. Good. Wow. Huh?
Good one.
They were hungry, and here is the one that's waiting for them to poop. She loves their poo-poo. What? You want to be filmed? Say hello to everybody. My name is Angel. NG for short. Where?
Come here, Angel, come.
Come, Papa's calling you now. Come. Go and see your Papa. Come on. Go see your human daddy.
Come here. Come. Angel. Come here. Good bird.
And she even responds to her name now. When we want to play with her, we call her Angie. Angie, come. And she comes. She had her first flight, was it yesterday, Francis, or 2 days ago? And today she did a little bit of a flying too.
Okay. Wait. I'm gonna prepare more, okay?
You should have known, eh?
Well, I didn't prepare much because this other one doesn't want to eat this.
Yeah. Wow. Look at the... Look at the crop of this one now. You ate like a pig. Angel, you should have eaten in the morning. You would not be so hungry now. Okay. Now kiss each other and make up. No. Kiss and make up. No. Lucky, he eats. We don't know yet if it's a he or a she, but it eats.
It eats a lot.
I think you're good for more.
Wait, we'll wipe your mouth. Wipe, 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 wipe.
See, we want them to be very well mannered. They have to learn to.
Maybe we should put this a little bit like. How is that?
Why not?
we have to make a little
beeper. Beeper. Beep. Vibe. Beep. Beep. Is that what you call it in English? Beep.
Beep.
A beep. And as you can see, Ruby is getting closer and closer. She loves feeding time because if there's food left, she's the one who gets it. She loves that food. So far, so good. We were wondering.
She licked already, that's one.
She licked the spoon already. Hey, maybe we should mix it with her food. She's not too keen about her dog food, but she could eat the entire jar here of bird's food. Maybe there's something of a bird inside of her.
Okay. Is that enough? Yeah?
This one is okay. This one is fine.
Yeah.
Look at the crop.
Yeah.
It is so big, and he's not even at his right size yet. But the wingspan, I would say it's over a foot, eh, Frank?
No.
Almost, eh?
Yeah.
Almost a foot. And she's still a baby. And when she flew yesterday, she flew from her cage all the way to the other side of the living room.
It's for Ruby now.
Ah, this is what she was waiting for. The leftover.
The leftover is for Ruby. We don't waste a thing.
Now, and that little bowl will be spot clean.
Yeah.
Spot clean.
Okay. Clean birds.
Okay, time to play now. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe, eh, guys? Subscribe and put some comments. I like to read your comments.